A quick review of the ISO 14001 top 20 most likely questions to be asked by an auditor. Certification was an accomplishment we can all be proud of. We need to be ready to repeat our success with recertification in 2017. Question 1. Are you aware POGO has an environmental policy? Everyone should remember this from day one at POGO. We do have an environmental health and safety policy. Question 3. Can you tell someone in general what is in the POGO EHS policy? Do you remember the 3 main environmental points of the EHS policy? Just think PRO. Pollution prevention, regulatory compliance, ongoing improvement. It's okay to look at your hard hat sticker if an auditor asks you the question. Question 4. What does the environmental policy mean to you? This is a question everyone will answer differently. Take a minute to think about what mining in an environmentally responsible way means to you. To me, it means keeping our impacts as small as possible and, after reclamation, leaving this part of the world not much different than when we found it. Question 6. What are some of the environmental aspects related to your job? An auditor may want to know if you understand how your job relates to the environment. Think about the river, the land, the air. What do you do that can affect it? Do you help control water quality as it leaves the site? Do you help control water quality underground? Do you help control ground stability in the dry stack? Do you help dispose of used oil or hazardous waste? Question 7. How does your job impact the environment? Every job here impacts the environment. Besides major things like reagent control in the mill, proper compaction and rock segregation in the dry stack, mining and pasting, small things affect the environment too, like spills and the proper disposal of waste, like batteries. Question 8. How do you reduce environmental impacts? There are a lot of things you can do. One is following procedures that prevent problems from occurring in the first place. Another is spill prevention, using duck ponds and doing careful checks on your equipment. Using less electricity helps reduce global impacts, not just POGO's impacts. Question 20. If you had any questions or concerns about the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, the EMS, who would you contact? You have several options if you have a question. If you see a problem or a chance to improve the way we do things to protect the environment, let any of us know. We achieved our ISO 14001 certification in 2014, and we will be renewing it in 2017. POGO plans on keeping the commitment and improving on it. We have all the pieces in place for a really functional management system and a program for continuous environmental improvement. With everyone's help, we can keep on doing it.